Welcome to Tarot Space, myself Gurpreet Kaur, and this is my first video with you, my Cancerians. So from today onwards, I'm going to start uh, giving you some monthly predictions, monthly forecast, and will be uploading it here on my Instagram. So some things to keep in mind is that these readings are general readings, and it may or may not resonate with you because I'm just going to pick up energies that I am getting from a higher source. And so if it does resonate with you, then you can comment in the comment section below, because we might love to know that it resonated with you and things are going exactly like we mentioned. And the topics that we are going to cover today is love and finances. Don't forget to like or follow us on Instagram. And so let's get to the reading. And so now we are going to start with the love reading. So I'm going to ask for messages and advices that the angels have for you for the month of April, from 16th of April to the end of the month. And so let's get started, and let's shuffle the cards. Help me connect to the Cancerians, and please give me some love advices that you have for Cancerians for the month of April, starting from 16th of April to the end of the month 2020. Give me some love advices that you have for Cancerians for the month of April, from 16th of April to the end of month 2020. What messages or advices related to love you have for my Cancerians from 16th of April to the end of the month. From 16th of April to the end of the month. Okay, so we have Wheel of Fortune here, which is a really good card. Okay. So we have Judgment here, that is in reverse. What love reading? What messages do you have for Cancerians? What messages for love do you have for Cancerians? So I see you dealing with Libras. Might be that you're dealing with a Libra, or looks like you're dealing with some air sign. You're dealing with some Libras. There is a strong possibility that you're dealing with Libra, and you're getting some thoughts in your mind, like you're getting some double thoughts or some negative thoughts about this relationship. Something is bothering you, something is changing here, like a lot of people are speaking about you, talking about you. You're thinking that this relationship or whatever it is going too fast, and this is not how it was supposed to happen, and you're thinking too much. Okay, there are too many cards, so it is somewhat started to burden you, and you have quite a lot of options that I see. Okay, so here is, okay, so there are a lot of cards that have come up, and I don't know why I'm picking up energies on them, so I'm not even just putting it back inside. So I'll just take an overall advice card, one last overall advice card, and start the reading because there are already too many cards here. Yeah. Okay, nice. So obviously Cancerians are highly intuitive and highly spiritual here. So what I see here is the time is changing. Time is changing in a positive way. So I see that a lot of Cancerians are gaining some knowledge, studying, and going through big changes in their life. They are knowing a lot of things. They are seeing others, and what I see is some Cancerians might be dealing with Libra, and so I'm really picking up Libra again and again because that is what I am seeing. So here you are a bit of confused. I see there are two people involved and you are not able to make any decision. You're not taking care, you're not listening to your intuition. So here again I see that intuitions play a very important role, and you're getting a lot of intuition. So you should actually follow your intuitions. I can also see a spiritual awakening that is going, and you are manifesting in a lot of things. So while I see this card, so I see that there is a spiritual awakening that is happening with you all, and your intuitions are getting very stronger. So you have some thoughts, you're thinking a lot about the relationship, about whatever it is. Maybe you like someone or something, but you are continuously thinking about that person. You're not able to make any decision, and you sort of, for some of you, you think that you are trapped in the relationship. If at all you are in a relationship, you think that you are trapped in a relationship and you're not able to come out of it, and you are just making a very, or I can also pick up this energy that some of you just in a very heated argument, or went really fast in the relationship, and now they are struggling a lot, and at the end you are just ending it and you're starting a new beginning from the relationship. This is what I'm picking up very strong, that some people are ending the relationship, and because it became really it started really burdening you, sort of. And so I also see, when we talk about this Four of Wands in reverse, so I see that you're not able to get over the person. You are just like again and again going behind. You're going in your past. You are not getting over that person, and it's becoming very difficult for you. And also shows that after a very long time you have decided to do something for yourself, and you are able to, you want to start something of your own, you want to change something, maybe a job change, or a business venture. Maybe you want to do something about yourself. Maybe you're going out to study, or maybe you're traveling or something like this. So I see that there is a end of some relationship. For some, they are really stuck in that and want to come outside, but they are not able to. And so there is some relation of air sign very strongly. So people who are Cancerian might be dealing with some air signs here, and some can also be dealing with water signs, maybe a Scorpio, or maybe a Cancerian again. So maybe they are dealing with the same energies. Also, I see there are some Leo energy here. So yeah, so this is the overall reading for my dear Cancerians, for the love messages that I got from the angels. And now we will quickly move ahead for the finances of the month.